This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill. A big unidentified creature is roaming the United States and claiming the lives of innocent people. It is said to be 392 pounds and with knives as claws and destroying everything in its path. It is said to be based of folklore creatures like the Wendigo. It is pulling land and throwing it everywhere. Don't try to go near the creature as it may result in the loss of your life. I repeat, this is not a drill. Seek shelter immediately. Take essentials like food, water, sleeping bags, and a hand crank radio for updates. There are no updates for now.